Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever had that heart-stopping moment when your computer crashes and you realize you might have just lost everything? All your photos, important documents, years of memories, gone in an instant. It's a nightmare scenario, but thankfully, it's one you can easily avoid. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple, step-by-step guide on how to back up your entire Windows 11 system to an external hard drive. This is one of the most important things you can do for your digital peace of mind. So let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need an external hard drive. Make sure it has enough space to hold all the data from your computer. A good rule of thumb is to get a drive that's at least as large as your computer's internal drive or even a bit bigger to be safe. Once you have your drive, plug it into one of your computer's USB ports. Windows should recognize it automatically. Now, let's get to the backup process itself. We're going to use a built-in Windows tool that's powerful and easy to use. Click on your Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Open it up. In the Control Panel, you might see a bunch of icons. Look for Backup and Restore Windows 7. Don't worry about the Windows 7 part. It works perfectly on Windows 11. Click on that. Once you're in the Backup and Restore window, look to the left-hand side and you'll see an option that says Create a System Image. This is what we want. A system image is an exact copy of your entire drive, including Windows itself, your settings, programs, and all your files. It's like a perfect snapshot of your PC. Go ahead and click on Create a System Image. A new window will pop up asking you where you want to save the backup. You'll see an option on a hard disk. Your external drive that you've plugged in earlier should be listed right there. Select it and then click Next. The next screen will ask you to confirm your backup settings. It will show you which drives are going to be included in the backup, usually your main C drive and any other system-related partitions. It also shows you how much space the backup might take up. Double-check that your external drive is selected as the destination. Everything looked good. Great. Click the Start Backup button. Now, you just have to wait. The process can take a while, anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on how much data you have. Your computer is doing a lot of work copying everything over, so it's a perfect time to go grab a coffee, watch a show, or just let it do its thing. You can still use your computer while it's backing up, but it might run a little slower. I usually just let it run overnight. Once the backup is complete, Windows will ask if you want to create a system repair disk. This is a bootable CD or USB that can help you start your computer and access the recovery tools if Windows won't load at all. It's a good idea to create one, so just follow the on-screen instructions if you have a blank CD or a spare USB flash drive handy. And that's it. You've successfully created a full backup of your Windows 11 PC. Your digital life is now safe and sound on that external drive. Keep that drive in a safe place. I recommend running this backup process regularly, maybe once a month, to keep it up to date with your latest files and programs. It's a small habit that can save you from a huge headache down the road. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.